Last thing we talked about is the substrates fitting into the active site of the enzyme. So, what that does is the enzyme has brought these two reactants next to each other where they are ready to go ahead and have that reaction. So, the next step is they actually have that reaction. The substrates turn into the products, and then, as we've already been learning, the when the chemical composition or the composition of atoms in a molecule changes, then the shape of that molecule changes because of the way that the different elements with the different atoms within a molecule attract and repel one another. As that shape changes slightly, then the products do not fit in the active site the same way that they did before, and they end up leaving, headed off into their back into the body or into the area around the enzyme. Now the enzyme has an active site that is open with nothing in it and is floating in the same area and is able to start the process all over again, finding two new pieces of the substrate that belong together, putting them next to one another so the reaction will occur. The reaction actually occurs and they're changed. Those reactants are changed into products, or those substrates are changed into products, and then the products leave, and so on, over and over and over again, so that you don't need to have like an enzyme for every single reaction you want to have occur, but the enzyme can keep on getting reused, changing that substrate into the products that are being looked for, thus speeding up the reaction, lowering the activation energy.